do that.
Good morning, sir. Are you Robert Hebert?
Yes, ma'am.
And will your client waive the formal reading of the indictment?
Yes, Your Honor.
Mr. Hebert, in cause number 25 DCCR 0740, you're charged with a third-degree felony offense of failure to comply with sex offender registration requirements from February 11th of 2025. And how do you plead to that charge?
Okay.
Are you pleading guilty freely and voluntarily?
Yes, ma'am.
And because you did what they charged you with?
Because you do what they charge you with.
Okay. I have here on the computer some documents that have your signature on them that the state has marked as exhibit number 1. Before you signed these, did you go over them with Mr. Parker?
Yes.
The paperwork on the tablet, did y'all go over it? And do you fully understand that?
Yes.
And do you understand, if I follow the agreement that you've made with the district attorney, that you will be waiving or giving up any right to appeal?
That's correct.
Witness the moment truth tightens its grip as Robert faces the charge, admitting guilt while surrendering appeal, leaving the courtroom with consequence and a silence begging. What fate comes next?
Also, do you understand, if you're not a U.S. citizen, that a plea of guilty or no contest may result in your deportation, exclusion from admission to the country, or denial of naturalization under federal law? State tenders number 1.
No objection?
It's admitted. Is there any evidence that Mr. Hebert is not competent?
No, Your Honor.
All right, sir, I'm going to find that you entered your plea of guilty freely and voluntarily. Find that you're mentally competent and understand the nature and the consequences of your plea. Find sufficient evidence to find you guilty, and at this time find you guilty of the third-degree felony offense of failure to comply with sex offender registration requirements. Sentence you in accordance with your agreement to a term of 2 years in the Institutional Division of the Texas Department of Corrections. You will receive credit on that sentence for any time that you've been in custody that the law gives you the right to receive. I have handed you the trial court certification that shows that this was an agreement that I followed, so you waived your right to appeal.
Feel the weight deepen as the judge delivers consequences, confirming competence, sealing guilt, and imposing years behind bars as questions linger, pushing to ponder how justice will shape what follows.
I've also handed you a written admonishment regarding your ineligibility to possess a firearm or ammunition. Because of the judgment entered against you, you're ineligible under Texas law to possess a firearm or ammunition. Possession of a firearm or ammunition could lead to charges against you. Firearm is a legal term, and you should read the written admonishment I provide you to see what devices qualify as a firearm. If you have questions about the laws that make you ineligible to possess a firearm or ammunition, or about how long that lasts, you can talk with Mr. Parker. All right, good luck to you, sir. You can go back with the bailiff.
Here the final warning echoes as firearms become forbidden, marking new reality and road ahead, reminding responsibility defines freedom. Reflect on choices and stay informed to protect what you build next.